Hello everybody, this is Rao Ubaydur Rahman. I'm from Pakistan and I'm here in China for last 7 years. I'm working as a professor in Urdu at Pakistan Embassy College, Beijing.
Kunwar's work experience has lasted for more than 20 years. He came to China 7 years ago and has been enjoying his teaching time as well as his hobbies like practicing yoga, acting and reading.
If somebody will ask me the main characteristics of the Chinese people, I will say hard work.
Can Kunwar's life enlighten yours? When in China, welcome to this edition of Kunwar's Life in China.
I'm here in China for the last 7 years. My work experience is more than 20 years as a professor in Urdu. I have worked in different colleges in Pakistan as well.
Kunwar often attends different forums or conferences on languages as a judge or guest of honor.
I enjoyed a lot while teaching Urdu actually. I feel very comfortable and I feel very proud that someone else outside Pakistan want to learn Urdu, especially the Chinese one. In Chinese university I have took some classes as well, and some guys, came to me for learning Urdu and they want to go to Pakistan and want to do some business like this. Yoga actually, now it's my passion basically. I think for a long time there is no day I remember that I didn't do yoga. Even it is 10 minutes, 15 minutes or maybe 1 hour, but there should be some time for yoga for every day. Actually, it is not only the exercise. I think this is something to purify your soul and body. Basically, the meditation and we actually, as a Muslim, although yoga is derived from the Indian origin, but we as a Muslim also use this yoga for our type of our way, and I do like this. This is my actually. This is something which yes, which make my life happy, and for sometimes I forget everything of other things and the tensions, the problems, and I just concentrate on that, and after that I feel myself very fresh and good.
Wait, I want to. Wait, I can do this. I am strong.
Only this part. Sometimes when you are traveling somewhere and you couldn't find time, sometimes you have too busy, get up early in the morning and you are supposed to went somewhere, go somewhere, and in these days maybe I couldn't. Otherwise I do even for 5 minutes, but I try my level best to do something. Yeah, only the breathing exercises. If I couldn't find time for the physical exercises, so I start doing the breathing exercises, even in subway or something like this. Yes.
Since 1996, Kunwar has been practicing yoga almost every day, which helps him keep fit and pleased.
Yes, it is good. Yeah, yeah. Nature is always fascinate me too much.
You want
Yes.
to take a break, like yoga?
Yes, sure. Yes, because whenever I come in nature, so I want to do some yoga type of things. So like breathing exercise, like If you want to lose your weight or burn your fats from your belly, you can do this Kapalbhati. This is also a breathing exercise and very good for the diseases of the stomach and to burn the belly fats. Like this, you will take breathe, but no noise should be there. But when you breathe out from your belly like this, and only your belly will move, not the shoulders, not the chest, not the neck or head. They stay calm and cool, but your belly will move like this. And after some practice, you can do it more quickly, like so. This different type of breathing exercises very good for your health.
Nice, very
Yes.
nice. I think the ladies also like that. Lose weight,
Yeah.
lose the belly.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I never worked any film or TV like this before. But here I got opportunities like this as well. I worked in a film, I worked in a TV show, I worked some type of advertisements as a model. So that is amazing. I got opportunity to work with CN and as a guest speaker. So it is a amazing place, you can say, amazing place that you can get opportunities. Always a proud feeling when you are actually representing your nation actually. When there is a role, some advertisement of something, but they need a very high government official from Pakistan, and I acted that role, and there is a memorandum signing some with Pakistani and Chinese friends, and I signed that, and that is very interesting, yes, experience, yeah. In my childhood, I was a reader of the action novels, and then to see the action movies. Because of that, Jackie Chan became my favorite hero actually. So last year I got a chance to spend few days with Jackie Chan. Actually, Jackie Chan, after every 5 years, he called his fans from all over the world, and about 400 to 500 people, and they all spent around 4 to 5 days with Jackie Chan. So last year in July, I got this chance, and I went there first in Beijing one day, then Tianjin, where Jackie Chan has a very big studio, around 70,000 square meter big studio of his own. And we spent one day there, then they took us in Tatung.
In Jackie Chan's fan club, Kunwar is the only one who is from Pakistan. He luckily spent good time with Jackie Chan and his fans in Datong.
During that stay in Tatung, there was 27th July, and yes, 27th July is my birthday. So I tell the organizers that today is my birthday. How can I spend my birthday and my family is not with me? They said, it is your birthday. I said, yes. They said, okay, wait. And after only 1 hour, they arranged a big birthday, a big birthday party, a cake, and a lot of people were there, all the fans of Jackie Chan. So very, very nice experience. Yeah, I never, never forget that.
Kunwar was majored in history for his master's degree in Pakistan. He's eventually keen on various ancient cultures.
I like Dathung because here in China for 7 years I went many places: Shanghai, Jiangsu, Nanjing, reach out a lot of places, and everywhere I saw high-rise buildings and very good infrastructure. But Dathung is near to Pakistan actually, so I like it too much. Not too many buildings and high-rise buildings, and all that is old, ancient, and cultural-wise, it is very near to Pakistan. So I love that. Shandong province, and I got late because, and when I reached at the airport, the doors were closed, and I don't have the boarding pass even. So there is an office. I went there. He said, okay. First he made ticket for me with handwritten, no, not computer. Just write my name, and then he leave his place, go with me. There is another, yes, another way to reach the
Like a green line.
yes, green line. Because when I told him that I'm Pakistani, he said, okay, wait, stay. And then he make a ticket for me, and then he dropped me in the... This is great because, you feel something VIP. When someone is giving too much protocol to you, it is very nice. And otherwise, if they will not allow me, I couldn't say anything because this fault was mine. I was late. It wasn't their fault. But they helped me a lot because only due to Pakistani. So I'm very thankful. The reason behind to come China, I want to see that country who is at that time, according to me, emerging as a superpower. Because I'm a student of history as well, and I want to see that nation who is only in 30 years make a big difference. And I want to study their nation. I want to study their habits. I want to know about them, how they did that in 30 years. This miracle, how can it happen? And when I came here, now I can say that I know how they did that, only because of dedication, hard work. If somebody will ask me the main characteristics of the Chinese people, I will say hard work. Due to this hard work, they, from this level to this level, now they are competing with USA. Around 20 years back, if you will see the major economies of the world, Chinese may be in the 10th or maybe not in the first 10 countries, but now they are second in the world, the second biggest economy of the world. Oh, amazing. Actually, if we talk yoga and the usefulness of yoga, many things. It made me happy. It actually helped me to get rid of my stress, tensions. It make my body fit and healthy. It is very good for my soul as well.